let's see if we can brighten this interior up. And here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna install this Boost Auto rear interior dome light. So here is a look at our new unit, and this just simply replaces this one. You can see it's just held in with 2 clips. And then we have an electrical connector here on the back side. When you pull the old light out, you're kind of gonna wanna pull it like this. It should just pull down, but these clips can be a little tricky sometimes. Pull from the front. Okay, so it's definitely easier said than done, but pull from the front down and you can get it out. But there are these little guys right here which make it a little bit hard, and then of course the clips themselves. Now we also have an electrical connection right there. Mine does not seem to have a lot of extra wire there. On mine, that little white clip needs to be pushed all the way up. And yeah, I'm gonna use a screwdriver to do that. But push that white clip all the way up. On yours, it could possibly be a different color. On mine, it's white. But that's pushed up now. So now I should be able to press this clip in and pull it out. Yep, kind of like so. Here's an up-close look at the 2 of them. As you can see, you've got a lot more light here. This has 2 lights in it, one here, and this actually has 3 lights behind each one of these, so you've got a total of 6 instead of just 2. So in theory, it should be a lot brighter. We're gonna take our new light and plug the clip in, like so, and then we're gonna take our little white piece here and bring it back down and lock it in place. And then we're just going to put this back into place. And just like that, it's installed. Pretty easy, right? Here's our before and after. That is definitely much brighter. Wow. Yeah, that's much better. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one, there's a link in the description.